Riccardo, sei ancora a casa? Allora stacci ancora una mezz'oretta, va che mi sono in ritardo. Adesso tempo. Ok, ciao. Ciao. Riccardo, take a time. For
Tell me
we are not busy.
Tell me come join us.
He's at home with the child. It's very hot. Very hot. Very hot. Very hot. So, who like the breast? The chicken breast.
I like the wing.
I like the legs too.
Huh? You like the... I like the legs only when I find the nice leg.
I just want the wing. The wing.
What?
You like the wing?
One piece.
Only one piece. Only one piece.
See.
For our friend, we give it. For Chris.
Ooh.
Chris is yours. Now for you, one wings. This is one wings. With olives and pineapples and one of them.
Anthony likes the leg.
Lorenzo, you like the leg? Two legs for Lorenzo. Because have to grow. Have to increase the weight.
No. Mary.
Mary? Oh, Mary is the last one.
No.
Would you like Mary?
Only one piece of Mary because Mary eats a very small portion. Now, for you, what do you like? Breast, leg, wings. Breast is fine.
I'm not picky.
You like breast and leg and no sauce. So, no, where is it? Breast and leg. And no sauce.
That piece for me.
That piece is so small, only bone.
I love that piece.
Whatever.
Feels good.
One wings and this one. This one is too small for me.
I share mine with you.
I like my wing.
No. You don't have to share anything with. Really, we have enough pieces for everyone.
I don't like breast.
No, this one is the best pieces for you.
I love that.
So well.
The tail.
You don't want so well.
I always eat the tail.
This one, look. I like that piece or the wings.
Or the wing.
Because, I say, tonight I'm full, but I take only light food. And the people say, which kind of light food? The wings, because the birds fly with the wings. But how many you eat? 12.
12.
If you eat 12 wings, you come in full.